Tens of thousands of Russians have left the country since the invasion of Ukraine. They are mostly young and liberal, shocked by the war. They're concerned by President Putin's latest crackdown on dissent and the economic sanctions as well. An estimated 25,000 have moved to Georgia. From Tbilisi, the BBC's Rehan Dimitri sent this report.
Clothes, food and toiletries. Volunteers are helping to load these donated essentials bound for Ukraine. Doing his part is Yevgeny from Moscow. He decided to leave Russia after being detained at an anti-war protest.
I don't want to fight in this war against Ukrainians and for not my homeland, but for Putin. Not all the Russians support this war, not all the Russians support Putin.
Since the invasion, tens of thousands of Russians have made the same decision. Heading to Turkey, the South Caucasus and Central Asia, an estimated 25,000 have arrived in Georgia.
I've created guides.
Lev has created a Telegram channel to help Russians settle in Tbilisi. Thousands have subscribed in just a few days.
I would call it a nowadays exodus of the minds from Russia. This is the most amount of people transferring in a short period of time.
Many are planning to stay here, even bringing their pets with them. This young couple didn't want to be identified. They say they're afraid of what Russia has become.
People are leaving because the state has crushed the prospects of professional development. There's no way to stand up for your rights. There's no freedom of speech, no free media.
Many Russians are trying to make sense of their new circumstances and what to do next.
Since the war started, Georgia has seen a surge in visitors from Russia. Hotels and Airbnbs are fully booked. And while tourists are welcome here, the prospect of a more permanent resettlement of Russians is causing some concern.
Georgians have been protesting almost daily against the invasion of Ukraine. They remember their own war with Russia in 2008 and its continued occupation of Georgian territories. Now Ukraine's war is their war too. For new Russian arrivals like Yevgeny, there is no escaping public displays of sympathy with Ukraine and hostility towards the country they've left behind. Rehan Dimitri, BBC News, Tbilisi.